Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We are going to look at two things today. I got it as soon as it came out. I wanted it. It intrigued me. It's something that I haven't seen come from Urban Decay in a long time and I was intrigued. So I had to have it. It is indeed the Urban Decay Stoned Vibes palette. And I thought the packaging was so pretty. I thought the idea was unique. I've heard a lot of other people talk some shade toward this palette, but I was really attracted to it for some reason. So I had to get it and I got it, and this is what she looks like. Very nice, no? Now they're not super shimmery. They are more like a stone. That doesn't feel like a stone on the eyes, but the way that it sparkles and shines, it's kind of like a very fine stone. And when you look at the palette, it really does kind of look like stone. It's really very nice. I'm gonna dip my fingers in just a few of the shades so that you can see how they look. This is the shade Jade, Opal, and Tiger's Eye. Let me dip my fingers in just a few more. This is Vibes and Bloodstone. Vibes and Bloodstone. See, very sheer, but also very pigmented. It's not quite like the Moondust palette. It's got a different vibe, different texture. It's a thicker, chalkier texture, but not chalky in a bad way because it's very soft. And there's absolutely no fallout. So this palette, I think, is really cute. The mattes, they're just okay. So I'll swatch a couple of those. They're not patchy by any means, but they're also, there's nothing groundbreaking about them. But they're really good base shades to work with these eyeshadow toppers that we have in this palette. So let me show you some pre-recorded swatches. Lovely indeed. I think it's really pretty. This is what's on my eyes right now, so that is the look that we are going to do today. Stay tuned. Okay, I am excited to try this. This palette is so pretty. I love the way that it looks. I think that we are going to start by buffing in this base shade here, Good Karma. Come here, eyeshadow, bring me some good karma. These mattes in here, again, are very basic. I'm gonna go in with this shade here called Hexed. I'm gonna go into the shade Third Eye just to deepen up that crease a little bit. That is a little less pigmented, I think. Yeah, this definitely is not any award-winning matte shade. You know, whoever says that talking and doing your makeup isn't hard has never tried it. The shade Third Eye is going on just a smidge patchy. Okay, let's blend that out a little bit. I'm gonna go in the shade with Good Karma and then just dip that lightly in there just to kind of give those shades a little bit more of an airbrushed look. All right, now let's get into the fun shades. I think I'm gonna go into this shade Bloodstone here. It's got this really excellent duochrome shift that I cannot wait to put on my eyes. Ooh. I'm gonna tap that in with my finger. I wonder if it would go on better if it was tacky. Let's try a wet brush. It does go on a little better if it's wet. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Jade, also with my finger. I'm gonna try it that way first anyway. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, yep, that did it. Oh, that's so pretty. This would look really especially pretty on a black primer or a black base as a topper. These definitely are, they're very, very pigmented, but they're definitely more suited to be toppers or maybe just like a fairy-esque, natural fairy-esque look. I put a little tiger's eye on my cheekies for a little bit of highlight, and it's not bad. Try it on the other side. All right, I am going to dig into Hex just a little bit with my smudger brush and just kind of deepen that in the corner and bring it out a little bit. All right, now we get to move on to the lashes. I'm going to be using the lashes from the lovely Miss Lvndr Beauty, and it comes in the cutest box. It's even more adorable in person than in the pictures. Look at that. Ooh. Oh. I cannot wait to try these on. These are so soft and they are so pretty. Let's see if I can get these on without destroying them. They seem really delicate. Okay, this is the final look. I added a lippy from Beauty Bakery and the lovely lashes from Lvndr Beauty, and I think the look actually came out quite nice. I really, really like this palette. Do I think it's worth $54? I guess that depends on what you're judging it on. The packaging's awesome. The shadows are very, very decent. It's a cute palette, but maybe wait until it goes on sale because you know it's going to. Thank you very much, everyone. That is all for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, check me out at Carpe Cynthia on Twitter and Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.